chiaroscuro, emergence of light from darkness, or clear light in Italian. Chiaroscuro. Here is chiaroscuro of Leonardo Caravaggio on the left-hand side. I realized that there must be a mirror that lights up the forehead so dramatically. And the other day, I found this huge glass of wine, a crystal glass, in the cabinets. I filled it up with water and put some plants in it. And I noticed that no matter how much light came in from the outside, it did not create this focal point in Caravaggio's glass. So I took out the concave mirror and I realized that concave mirror has to be reflecting the objects into another mirror and see how it works with a camera, of course, and I figured it out. There it is. I'm happy with my emergence of light from darkness. The direct flat mirror does not work. It has to be concaved. So you dirty the canvas with umber, raw umber. You cannot have any light behind her neck. The entire shadow of her face must bleed into the darkness of the background. This is the same lady with the darker colors and black everywhere. The only thing that shows her body and the volume of her body is those streaks of magenta color. You can see this shiny armored soldier is engulfed in black. Because of his black hat and this woman's black hair, they all have to go into the darkness. The only thing we see, all of her shadows slowly bleed into the darkness. This woman is not mysterious enough. As I darken the back of her neck and the hair, it will go into the darkness. You can see the same person with dark skin, darker colors, more texture on the skin. She really talks to you. Look at those eyes. They're really looking at you. Thank you for watching, and communicate with me on the comment section of YouTube and let me know what you like to watch. Thank you.